good morning. It's July 29th, 2022. We're up at Shaver Lake. It's just after 6 a.m. It's going to be a great day today, I think. The temperature right now is 60 degrees. It's supposed to be mid 80s here. We're down in the valley. It's going to be 104, 105 today. So sun's just about to come over the mountaintop right here. Already got a couple kayaks I see out on the lake and a couple more coming down the ramp right now. So we're going to go ahead and get out there real quick and see if we can't jump on a bite. We're going to be running 2 rigs today, a downrigger, as you can see right here, doing a downrigger with a flasher at about 25 to 30 feet. And then I'll be running just a small little lure out behind us, running out maybe about 5 to 10 feet deep. So we'll see which one hits, and I'll let you guys know. But see you guys out there. By the way, thank you for joining the channel today. I really appreciate the views. If you can, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. All right, see you out there. All right, so we're out here on Shaver Lake, just past the marina. We're working our way now in front of the dam. I've got 2 rigs out. The first rig on my left over here is going to be on a downrigger at about 30, maybe 30 feet deep, with a flasher and a small, real small spoon. And then on my right, I'm running straight out behind me, only about 5 feet deep, real small spoon. So that way we're covering 2 different depths. The temperature right now is about 60 degrees, and the depth I'm at right now is almost 50 feet. So I think we should be set up right. Let's see if we can't get one here on the first pass. If we do, I'll definitely let you know. Well, we've been on the water for about 45 minutes, and I'm marking some fish. Just not getting any bites yet. The sun's just now coming over the mountaintop right there, so the sun should be hitting the surface of the water here any time now. So hopefully that'll kick the bite off. We're about 50 feet deep right now, and again we're fishing at about 30 feet and about 10 feet now with 2 rigs, and my trolling speed's about 1.5 miles an hour. Not seeing a lot of surface activity, so hopefully it picks up. Yeah, we're at 80 feet, 85 feet depth right now. We're still fishing 2 rigs, one at about 30 feet, one at about 10 feet. So far, no bites. Been on the water about 2.5 hours, a lot of boat traffic. As you can see, we got a lot of boat traffic, and the skiers aren't very respectful to the fishing guys. Welcome to California. It's a good reason why you should always wear your PFD. Yes, your PFD. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Well, been on the water for almost 3 hours. Nothing yet. A lot of boats out here. So, when in doubt, when I catch anything, I guess it's time for me to eat a little something. I gotta tell you, this Strive beef jerky was given me by my daughter as a gift to take fishing. And this stuff is really good. It's at Costco. So I'm not sponsored by them, of course. But man, if Costco or Strive would like to sponsor this episode, hit me up. Stuff's really good. Check out these waves. These are what the wakeboarders make. So much for a relaxing day out on the lake, huh? That's all right. We're gonna hook one up here. You come near the marina because you want to stay out of the main traffic area. And now look what you have to deal with. These guys and these wakeboards. Hey! 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 Pay attention! Okay. Go. And that's the exact reason why you always wear your life vest. So much for a relaxing day out on the lake, just fishing. All right, well, that was kind of hectic. So, up at Shaver Lake, got up here at 6 a.m., hit the water, got out. I was feeling pretty good about it. And then within a half hour, there was probably at least 24 boats out fishing the same area where I was. And then within an hour of that, as you guys saw, the lake just became filled with the skiers, wakeboarders, and just speedboats, and it was just kind of chaotic. But I gave it 6 hours. I got a couple of nibbles because I could see the line, you know, dipping down, but just couldn't get any solid bites. Talked to some other guys out there, and kind of the same thing. So I think with all of the summertime traffic, I think the lake is just really pressured right now. So I skunked out. I was hoping that wouldn't happen, but it did. But still had a great time. It was a beautiful day out here. Haven't been out fishing for a couple weeks. Just the schedule's been just chaotic. So it felt really good to get the kayak back out and back on the water. But hopefully the next week or two I'll get back out and we'll get some fish on. But got to go down to Shaver Lake and maybe get a milkshake, make myself feel better, and cruise back into town where it's about 105 degrees right now. So look, you guys saw there's a couple close calls out there. Always wear your life vest, please. I saw several guys out there, great guys, you know, real nice. I've seen them out, you know, on the lakes before, and they all have their life vests next to them in their kayaks. If one of those boats that got so close to me, especially that last one, would have hit me, I wouldn't have had time to put my life vest on. It's just important, guys. Better be safe than sorry. Better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. But all right, I'll get off my soapbox. So God bless, be safe, and catch you next time. All right, bye.